Like,
Crush
yeah,
bread
man, I
wife got
remember me I come a
exposed by
road
his
dog.
close friend. Listen
Me
to
in
the
charge,
end.
brother. Yeah, me in charge, man, out there rising, man. When me I come a road at times of a kill na kind of car, no like na kind of. You see it? I'm sitting, you know. You remember you tell me to kill Clay Boss too. You remember you tell me to kill Musai. Eh? You come like you know remember. You remember Bumbuckler 2021 charge 2022 dog. You give me gun and tell me to kill Leonard and I give back the gun and tell us I'm not did. Hmm? Because Leonard are your uncle bad man and Leonard if you have nothing on to live good. You know remember dog? Eh. Come like you know remember brother. You know remember that. Remember what the Leonard come on my cat and I tell him about the charge and I tell him say dog. Can't believe the crush brother tell me say yeah and tell me say for do it charge it. But me not do that uncle. Because me not have nothing. So I don't know now come talk about me and man a link charge it. I want to tell you dog man your uncle and your bad mind man dog. Stop bad mind man brother. Your bad mind crush bread. Me I tell you that from your heart. Your bad mind dog. You never like nobody eat nothing you. Corruption. That me I tell you nobody not like you Jamaica. I better say you never come back down. Fly come here. If you feel like say you're wicked. So if you don't use police and kill you, because every police know about you down here. Run. More people got type in your name and sitting. And see how much time you been through jail for double murder, batty boy. For your friend them, you kill more than 6 of your friend them and family already. I want to your pussy when I come and deed me. Avoid me and allow me out of nothing you. That me I tell you. Survive me and allow me out of nothing you. I been said no. My son, batty boy, low life boy, my son. Yeah, make me a try make a hustling. Yeah, me know me a thief and everything, yes. But post all member your regime me did and that. Same thing when I see I do. And that me used to follow though. You used to broke kitchen to pussy, that's why I follow. Batty boy, you go suck your mother. Can do what you want the pussy. I have every police I will have up on my side. Batty boy.
When you hear that, my viewers, a youth from out of Old Harbour make a voice note, say my expose the Dan, I talk up a bag of thing where the Dan do. Half time find out say the Dan no rate him, say the Dan did a use him. But you see if the youth them listen to me tell you this every day. Say the Dans and the general them boy and a rate you know. The man them does a use you know. And as on a drop on your face, the man them walk left you know. Them Dave na go come on a funeral get to youth. So hear it here my people. I tell you every day you know. Say a gunman are the biggest set of informer them boy you know. No true no see them a walk round and a point fingers pan other people and a talk about blagger, informer and this and that. Ask the commissioner, Kevin Blake, who inform pan Tickman. Ask the system, who inform pan Dodos. And you go hear. I never no blagger, I never no vlogger, I never no podcaster. I them same gunman friend them me a tell you no. When police wall them, cause boy no want go do 25 to life. And boy no want dead. So you think boy do? Turn on like pipe and start leak pan him general. See him like how you hear that boy in another voice note here leak pan him general. I talk how much thing crush bread do. How much people life him set up. Murder all him own a family them. And now you hear him. I talk about the general can't come back boy. Cause if the Dan come back boy, he ma go use police to get rid of the Dan. My viewers, badness is a dead end. And a full time now the youth them looking to themselves, brother. Stop run up and down for man, brother. Stop make man program on brother. And push all iron in and tell on about for all half corner. Tell the Dan to come all off the corner himself. And make man bust out him head. Cause I'm telling you this. This thing you not gonna away, you know. You no matter nah no money, you know. You know say time hard, boy, yeah. Minimum wage, 16 grand. Where that can do for nobody, boy, yeah. So you can stay there, make man use, you know, and set up on a life. And then use back on your own a friend them for bury, you know. So you hear him, my people. I talk a bag of thing. Like him did innocent. Like him never involved in it too. And do all of them thing they too. As we may say, no Dan and no general. No rate no youth boy. Yeah. Badness is a using thing. And the moment you drop on your face, the Dan and the general no want to hear from your mother and your father again. So get to youth, do the right thing and road youth. prefer no go look at 9 to 5. Low out this badness game here. This game here is a death game. Remember that. Some people, until next time, protect on 3 points a road. On don't know my code. A life over death. You see me?
You remember you tell me to kill Clay Boss too. You remember you tell me to kill Musai. Eh? You come like you know remember. You remember Bumbuckler 2021 charge 2022 dog. You give me gun and tell me to kill Leonard and I give back the gun and tell us I'm